In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Salesforce Flow versions. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce admin or a newcomer trying to navigate the intricate landscape of Salesforce Flow, understanding how to access and review different versions of a flow is essential for effective management and troubleshooting. Let's jump right in and guide you through this straightforward process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. This may seem elementary, but it's a crucial step to ensure you have the necessary permissions to access and modify flows. Make sure you're logging in with the correct credentials and any necessary authentication methods like two-factor authentication if your organization has it set up for extra security. Once you're logged in, it's time to head over to the Setup area. You can find this option by clicking on the gear icon located on the top right corner of the Salesforce interface. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you need to select the Setup option. This will then open up Advanced Setup, giving you access to a wide range of administrative tools and settings within Salesforce. With Setup open, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the Quick Find search box. This is a handy tool that helps you quickly locate features and settings within Salesforce. In this search box, type in Flows. This will filter the listed options and guide you directly to the Flows section, where all your organization's flows are stored. Now, you'll want to find the specific flow you're interested in investigating. In the Flows menu, browse through the list or use the search function to locate your desired flow. Once located, click directly on the flow's name. Doing so will take you to a detailed view where you can dive deeper into its properties. Next on the agenda is accessing the version history of the selected flow. To do this, look for the View Properties icon, which resembles a gear icon, often situated alongside your selected flow. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Show Advanced to display detailed information related to the flow. Now that you've accessed the specific properties and settings, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list showing all the previous versions of the flow. This includes details such as each version's status, whether it is active or inactive, and the last modified date. Having this information at your fingertips is invaluable for maintaining the flow's integrity, deploying updates, or rolling back changes, ensuring you're always working with the correct version. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to view different versions of a Salesforce flow. This knowledge empowers you to efficiently manage your workflows, enabling smoother operations and better oversight. Be sure to explore and familiarize yourself with the different flows and their versions in your environment.